Dreaming of working in Canada? Want a job that pays well and gives you permanent residency? Then listen up. Because Canada is hiring thousands of Filipino caregivers right now, and today I'll show you exactly how to apply even without an agency. By the end of this video, you will know the two easiest caregiver program for PR, how to find a job without paying high agency fees, the step-by-step process from Philippines to Canada. So if you're ready, smash that like button and let's get started. Cut to brief montage of happy Filipinos working in Canada as a caregivers. Why Canada needs Filipino caregivers? Canada's aging population, huge demand for caregivers. Special PR program, home child care provider, and home sport worker pilots. Average salary 18,000 to 25,000 Canadian dollar, 72K to 100K monthly. Two best caregiver program for PR 2025 update. Must have 24 months of week experience. Direct PR pathway after 2 years. B. Home sport worker pilot. For elderly, disabled care. Same PR rules as above. Why Canada needs Filipino caregivers? Canada's aging population, huge demand for caregivers. Special PR programs, home child care providers, and home sport worker pilots. Average salary 18 to $25 per hour and 70K each month. Two best caregiver program for PR 2025 update. Split screen comparison, a home child care provider pilot. Must have 24 months of work experience, can be in PA or Canada. Direct PR pathways after 2 years. B. Home sport worker pilot. For elderly disabled care. Same PR rules as above. 3 requirements for Filipinos. Education, at least high school diploma, better if caregiver nursing course. Experience 6+ months training or work even from Philippine hospital private homes. Language IELTS 5.0, CLB 5 easier than express entry. Job offer not always needed, can apply for the open work permit. Number 4. How to find a job, no agency scams. Job sites, Indeed Canada, Job Bank, Facebook group Filipino caregivers in Canada. Direct hiring, some employers sponsor visa shows, sample job posts. Avoid fake agencies, never pay huge fees upfront. Step 5. Step-by-step application process. Get documents straight, passport, IELTS training and certification. Number 2. Find a job or apply for open work permit. Submit visa application. LMIA exempt in most cases. Fly to Canada and start working. 5. Apply for the PR after 24 months. Why Canada needs Filipino caregivers? Canada's aging population, huge demand for the caregivers. Special PR programs, home child care provides, and home sport worker pilots. So there you have it, the complete guide to becoming a caregiver in Canada. If you follow these steps, you could be earning Canada and getting PR in just 2 to 3 years. But remember, success starts with the action, and next step, download my free checklist, link in the description. Comment below Canada if you are applying this year. Watch my next video on how to pass IELTS for the caregivers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next Canada.